Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to teach you several techniques to learn how to raise your vibration. This can completely transform your reality. Remember that everything is energy, what you attract, what you think, what you experience. When you learn to vibrate higher, everything around you changes. This content won't be taught to you in school or university, but it can mark a before and after on your personal journey. So open your mind and heart wide, because today you're going to discover concrete tools that you can start applying right away. If this resonates with you, follow me for more content like this. Before we dive in, I want you to understand something very important. Human beings operate from 3 levels of mind. The superconscious mind, 5th dimension; the subconscious mind, 4th dimension; the conscious mind, 3rd dimension. The conscious mind is the part we use for logical and rational thinking, daily decision-making, and being present. It represents only about 5% of our mental activity, according to studies in cognitive neuroscience like those conducted by Dr. Bruce Lipton and Harvard University. The subconscious mind, representing approximately the remaining 95%, stores beliefs, patterns, traumas, and memories from childhood. It operates automatically and repetitively, influencing how you perceive the world without you realizing it. This level relates to the 4th dimension because it transcends linear time and holds accumulated information from your emotional past. The superconscious mind is a higher concept, related to what Carl Jung called the collective unconscious, and what some spiritual traditions refer to as the higher self. Here reside all possibilities, creative ideas, deep intuitions, and the quantum field of infinite potentials, as described by physicist David Bohm or biologist Rupert Sheldrake. It is the part of you that already knows, that is connected to a greater wisdom. Everything that happens in the 3rd dimension, the physical and material world, is a reflection of what is already happening at the other 2 levels. Your thoughts, emotions, and deep beliefs condition what you experience. As physicist and mathematician John Wheeler said, the universe is not only observed by us, but participates in its existence through our observation. When you raise your vibration, it's easier to connect with that superconscious mind, where all possibilities exist. By reprogramming what you choose from up there, you change what manifests down here. You are not destined to always live the same things. You are programmed, but that can be changed. Through practices like meditation, creative visualization, energy work, or repeating affirmations, you can access higher frequencies and transform your realities. Are we doing well? If this information is proving useful to you, leave a comment. I'd love to know how you're integrating it. Why is it important to raise your vibration? Because higher vibrations dominate lower ones. Even Einstein said it, you cannot solve a problem from the same level of consciousness at which it was created. When you raise your energy, you leave behind limiting programming. From that higher frequency, you can create health, abundance, love, and well-being. Quantum physics has shown that particles behave differently depending on observation. This suggests that your consciousness directly affects reality. Raising your vibration is, therefore, a way to become a conscious co-creator of your life. A simple example: if water, H2O, lowers its vibration, it becomes ice. If it raises it, it becomes steam. The same happens with you. When you vibrate high, your thoughts are more energy than matter, and you can manifest faster. 396 breathing technique. This technique will help you oxygenate your body, calm your mind, and raise your frequency. Inhale for 3 seconds. Hold your breath for 9 seconds. Exhale slowly for 6 seconds. Do it 3 times in a row. This practice not only balances you but also takes you to an alkaline state where disease does not thrive. If you did it, tell me in the comments how you feel. Energy anchoring technique. We will use a meridian point on your hand to raise your energy, and the heart chakra to seal that vibration. Press your left index finger 9 times with your right hand. Keep pressing and ask yourself these 3 questions. What do I truly want? How would I feel if that were already real? What would I do to celebrate it? Visualize everything with emotion. Then gently tap your chest, heart area, 9 times to anchor that energy. Energized water technique. Water has memory and responds to intention. You can transform it and use it to your advantage. Steps: use a blue glass bottle. Let it rest, if it's tap water or from plastic. Place it in the sun for a few minutes so it absorbs solar energy. Write a word on it that represents your intention: health, love, abundance. Drink that water consciously, knowing that it is charged with your energy. This can change you. Ionic shower technique: when you feel low on energy, take a conscious shower. Imagine that the water cleanses your energy field. If you can, finish with cold water. Another option: immerse yourself in a bathtub with sea salt. Even better if you can go to the sea or a river to discharge and recharge energetically. This technique helps release negative ions accumulated in your energy field. The result: lightness, clarity, and strength. These techniques are simple yet profound. If you practice them consistently, you can transform your energy and, with it, your life. Tell me in the comments, which of these techniques did you like the most? Which one will you apply first? And remember, within you is already everything you need to heal, to grow, and to create a life more aligned with your truth. You are not alone on this path. Many of us are awakening, reconnecting with our essence, and learning to vibrate higher every day. If this message resonated with you, I invite you to follow me. Here you will find tools, inspiration, and community to accompany you on your transformation process. Your growth matters. Your energy creates. And this is just the beginning. And if you'd like to receive more content like this, activate notifications and follow this channel. I'll see you in the next video.